You have business income and you own a vehicle which you use to carry on your business activity. How TaxTron Web will help you to claim your vehicle expense. After putting your income and expenses at the bottom of the expense sheet, you will click Next. The next module is for statement of motor vehicle expenses. You will answer this question. Did you have any work-related motor vehicle expenses? Click Yes. Vehicle module will open. You will type in your vehicle model or make. You own the vehicle and you will mention when did you purchase this vehicle. Total kilometer you drove in the year to earn business income, and total kilometer you drove in the year. You will claim the fuel cost for the full year. You will claim the maintenance and repairs for full year. You will claim the insurance for full year. You will claim the registration and licensing fee for the year. If there is any parking expense, you can claim that. You will enter the UCC beginning of the year, and that's how you will claim CCA on your car. And this is how the total vehicle expenses will be claimed in your business statement. Click Next. That's how TaxTron Web will help you to claim your motor vehicle expenses.